If you're a senior looking for balance exercises, you've come to the right place. My name is Jared, I'm from Fitness Enhancement, and today I'm going to show you a great exercise for single leg balance. So I'll be demonstrating with Tyler over here. Now this is one that you can do at home or with one of our awesome personal trainers. We're Australia-wide. So if you are at home and a little bit less confident on balance, you can grab onto something for support, just for safety. Luckily, I'm here with Tyler to give him that support. So what we're gonna do is, Tyler, I'll have you stand on one leg to start with, and I'll be here if he needs to hold on to me. From here, I'm gonna call out the numbers of the clock. So I'm gonna call out 12 o'clock, and what Tyler will do is he'll tap forward and then come back to center. Now, if Tyler loses his balance at any point, he can put that foot down and just reset. So let's do 6 o'clock, Tyler. And let's do 12 o'clock. Perfect, and he comes back to center each time. We'll do about 10 per leg, and then we can switch legs.